Amazon's private label strategy involves creating and selling products under its own brand names rather than relying solely on third-party sellers. This approach allows Amazon to differentiate itself from competitors, offer unique products to customers, and potentially increase profit margins. By leveraging its vast data and insights on customer preferences and behavior, Amazon can identify gaps in the market and develop products that meet specific needs. Private label brands also provide Amazon with greater control over the customer experience, from product design and packaging to pricing and distribution. Overall, private label is a key part of Amazon's broader strategy to expand its product offerings, deepen customer loyalty, and strengthen its position as a dominant player in the e-commerce industry. Amazon's private label program allows brands to create and sell their own products exclusively on the Amazon platform. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and identify product opportunities. Use Amazon's best sellers list, customer reviews, and keyword research tools to find profitable product ideas. Look for gaps in the market or areas where existing products could be improved. 2. Develop your product concept. Based on your research, create a unique product that meets customer needs and solves a problem. Consider factors such as price point, target audience, and competition. 3. Design your product. Work with a product design team or use Amazon's in-house design services to create a high-quality product that stands out from the competition. Ensure that your product meets Amazon's quality standards and adheres to safety guidelines. 4. Source your product. Find reliable suppliers who can manufacture your product at a competitive price point. Consider factors such as lead time, minimum order quantities, and quality control measures. 5. Create your brand identity. Develop a brand name, logo, and packaging design that reflects your product concept and resonates with your target audience. Ensure that your branding is consistent across all touchpoints, including your website and social media channels. 6. Launch your product. Set up your Amazon seller account, create a product listing, and optimize it for search engine optimization, SEO. Use Amazon's advertising tools to promote your product and drive sales. Monitor your sales performance and make adjustments as needed. 7. Manage your business. Stay on top of inventory levels, customer feedback, and supplier relationships. Continuously improve your products based on customer feedback and market trends. Consider expanding your product line or entering new markets as you grow your business.